Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot data using backups and export tools step by step clearly. To begin restoring HubSpot data, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings. Look for the Data Management section in the left sidebar. Select Backups from the drop-down menu. Review your backup options. Choose the backup file you intend to restore. Confirm that this backup contains the data you wish to recover. Click on the Restore button next to the selected backup. Wait for the restore process to complete. You will receive a notification once the process is finished. Next, check the restored data for accuracy. If you need to use export tools, return to the main dashboard. Go to the Contacts or Marketing menu, depending on your needs. Select the export option from the available tools. Choose the file format that best suits your requirements. Create a list of the specific data fields you want to export. Click on the Export button to proceed. Once the export is complete, download the file to your computer. Now, open the file to verify the data's integrity. If any information is missing, revisit your export settings. Adjust as needed and re-export the data. To import this data back into HubSpot, go to the Contacts section. Click on the Import button. Select the file you previously exported. Map the fields from your exported file to HubSpot's fields. Review the settings before launching the import process. When ready, click on the Import button to start. Monitor the import progress for any errors or notifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.